So my name is Dan Sultanescu and she's Dana Sultanescu. We are from Romania and we try to create a research about populism in Eastern Europe. We are very interested in this topic because it's an emerging topic and trying to measure the populist attitudes. We initially adopted a very classic approach from Pew Research Center using measurement with just two variables. But initially we find out that this type of measurement here, when compared to the Western countries, in Romania the level of populist attitude is much higher. So in order to understand the nuances of the populist attitudes, we added a different variable. The Pew Research Center are using two variables. The most elected officials don't care what people like me think, and ordinary people will do a better job solving the country's problems. And we added a third variable. All politicians are corrupt and should be punished by jury. Using this third variable, we had a chance to create different type of segmentation that like this one, where the whole amount of people with populist attitudes can be segmented in smaller, nuanced segments. And then, using this new method, try to see if this method is working. It can explain the variations of political attitudes in a country like Romania, and it does. And we were very interested to see if the method it's valid, it's reliable. And with all the tests that we've done, it really is. And our conclusion is that the populist attitudes increased with voting intention for the opposition parties. Here it's something very interesting. If you are looking, here is the evolution of populist attitudes since 2019. Right now, 2024. And we have data from Google Trends about the real events in Romania. We have these two peaks with the COVID crisis and the Ukraine war starting. Exactly when those two events occurred, the level of populism decreased. It was very interesting. Initially, the population started to have less populist attitudes than in general. Immediately after, like few months after, the populist attitudes came back to strong values. Usually, the populist attitudes increases during electoral period, like right now. As you can see, right now is going to the roof. And we've done that with a lot of waves of research, like 13 different surveys during over 6 years. And we will continue to do that because it's very interesting to compare this with other countries.